Hi viewer, today we know that how to apply for scholarship in UK at Oxford University. If you are new here on my channels, then subscribe and click on bell icons buttons for upcoming scholarships. First open your browser and search ineedscholarship.com. Search scholarship in UK in these sections or click on this post. Clarendon Fund Scholarship 2021 for international student at Oxford University. The details of the university scholarships are mentioned in these sections. Eligibility criteria of this scholarship. All international students are acceptable, require high CGPA, excellent student motivations, program period 1 year to 4 year program. It depends on the program that you are selected. Degree level master and PhD degree. Host country, the program taken in UK. Deadline 2020 Jan 2021. This scholarship offer 130 scholarships every year. Financial coverage, tuition fees, monthly stipends. Check it. How to apply? You can apply step by step process. Step 1. In step 1, you select a faculty. Faculty list are mentioned in this link. Arts, English language and literature, history of arts. Step 2, select your course. That link is given. Click on this link and search your program. Step 3, fees, cost of your course. Click on this link and check it. All programs are mentioned in this link. Select your program and go to next step. Third step is fees, funding and scholarship search. Read carefully instructions and go to next fourth step. Make a plan to submit your application and also check deadline. Click on this link course. If you are check deadline, click on this link. Step 5. If you are not English language, then submit your evidence that you meet the university English language requirement. Click on this source requirement. Step 6. To start your application, first create your accounts on this link. Step 7. Choose the course that you prefer. Step 8. Check entry requirement according to your course. So please read carefully these steps. Now we go to 6th step and create our accounts on this website for application. If you are already create an account, then you log in these sections. Email and password. If you have not account, create new account. Create account. Enter your given name, middle name first, middle name second. It's optional. Middle name 1 and middle name 2. It's optional name. Family name, it is a must compulsory. Date of birth, username, confirm username, password, confirm password, check this and proceed. In this way we have created our accounts for submit applications. The official link of the website are given. Click on it to see official announcement of the scholarship. And other links are open. Check graduation, faculties, course detail, course and period, full time, half time, year, month are given. Select your course and apply, and other fees related information are given in this page. Graduate account A to Z, course, part time, full time, start or research, third English combined, advanced computer science MSc full time 1 year, Africa studies MSc 9 months. All detail of courses are given in these sections. Application guide, please read carefully application guideline. Check your educational background. This scholarship is especially for excellent student who those CGPA is very high